This is Storm Team 8.
We'll get to this weekend's forecast in just a moment, but I know a lot of people are excited about next weekend's forecast. A lot of people on vacation, just kind of a cool time of year. July 4th forecast, of course, July 4th occurs on next Thursday. 80 degrees right now. Looks like partly cloudy skies, and that's going to be the theme throughout most of the weekend. Friday, Saturday, partly cloudy skies as well. Notice the warming trend in the next weekend. 85 by Saturday, 88 by Sunday, and by Sunday you could see Mother Nature kick in her own fireworks with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, here's the latest right now with Storm Track Live radar, and just what we saw yesterday. Most of the activity on the other side of the state. You can see one lone shower out there right around the Holland area. That one's falling apart. I really think this is going to be a reverse scenario this afternoon. Kind of a renegade shower here, but most of the activity developing along and east of US 131. Tracking this little guy off to the south and east. If it holds together, moving into the Allegan area, arrival time sometime right around 1 o'clock. But again, that's quite a big if out there. Now, this is kind of fascinating. Yesterday, this is what happened. You can see the cluster of showers and thunderstorms of the estimated NEXRAD radar rainfall, mostly on the eastern side of the state and on the other side of the lake. What happens is we have a stable layer of air that comes with a northwest flow off of Lake Michigan this time of year, and notice what it does. We call this a lake shadow. Notice a lack of any rainfall essentially near and west of US 131. A couple of showers tried to make their way inland, and a couple did off to the northwest of Grand Rapids, especially Muskegon northward, but the bulk of the heavy rain stayed off to our east. This is essentially exactly opposite what happens with lake effect snow during the winter season. Temperatures right now are comfortable. 76 degrees, Kalamazoo, Grand Rapids, cooler towards the lakeshore, still at the beach holding in the 60s. Certainly will be cooler today, again with that west and northwest flow coming off of Lake Michigan. Again, that's one of the reasons why there's more stable right along the lakeshore. Dew point, here's the difference. The dew point is now right around 60. That is markedly different than what we had yesterday. You can really tell as you step outside. About 7 degrees cooler the dew point is than it was yesterday, almost 10 degrees in the Kalamazoo area. So more comfortable air continues to move across the area. Partly cloudy skies out there at the present time. You can see a few clouds associated with those dying showers now over Lake Michigan. More concentrated area of clouds basically from Lansing eastward, but as we continue to heat up this afternoon, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms develop, especially in inland areas. That's essentially what the Futurecast shows us right along and east of US 131, showers and thunderstorms. Notice how the yellows become more concentrated the farther inland you go, and that's where the heavier rain is expected. Now later on tonight, we ought to see these showers pulse down or die down quite a bit before another upper level wave moves in. You can kind of see that progressing from north to south, and that's what's going to give us the chance of rain for tomorrow. But I think late in the day, we'll start to see that wave drift to the south, so we likely see most of the showers come to an end by around 4 o'clock and thereafter from north to south. Keep in mind, the evening hours, we have daylight all the way until 10 o'clock. At Lake Michigan today, waves 1 to 3 feet with a wind out of the northwest, at least turning to the northwest. Still holding on to water temperatures, at least most locations, in the 60s. Here's the 8-day forecast. Consistently cooler than where we've been the past several days. I think yesterday was the 8th day in a row or 7th day in a row we had 80-degree temperatures. Notice very few 80s showing up until next weekend, 4th of July and thereafter. So kind of a nice cool weather pattern.